Hello, sweet little friends. I miss y'all so much, and I'm excited to be able to read a story with you guys and pretend that we are at my table and that we are sitting there and everybody has their book and we're going to be reading all together. So today we're going to read Do Not Eat That. You can listen to me read this story and we're going to do some things together, or you can pause it, try to read the words yourself, and then press play and see if you got them right and listen to me read. So first we're going to look at the cover of our book like we always do, read the title. So we have Do Not Eat That. What is on the end? Is it a period, question mark, or an exclamation point? It is an exclamation point. So would we read it, do not eat that? Or would we read it like, do not eat that? Like we were very excited or upset or angry about something. Look at this friend's face. How do you think she feels? Is she feeling so happy that she wants to use an exclamation point? Or is she mad or frustrated? How do you think she feels? I think she feels pretty frustrated because her friend is trying to eat a tree. And that does not make any sense to try to eat a tree. So let's read and find out what happens. So this is Abby, and this is her friend Zotz. Why does Abby tell Zotz not to eat? And why? That is our question that we're going to try and talk about when we read our story. Abby and Zotz are best friends. Zotz is from outer space. Zotz is hungry. Zotz finds puppies. Do not eat the puppies, Abby says. Look on the screen and see if you can find the exclamation point that tells us how we are supposed to read that sentence. Very good. It is at the end of this one. So it's, do not eat the puppies. Zotz finds trash. Do not eat the trash, Abby says. Zotz finds books. Do not eat the books, Abby says. Zotz finds a tree. Do not eat the tree, Abby says. Zotz finds hats. Do not eat the hats, Abby says. Zotz finds bikes. Do not eat the bikes, Abby says. Zotz sees Abby. Do not eat me, Abby says. I am hungry, Zotz says. Eat some pizza, Abby says. What else could Zotz eat? You could use this as a chance to go and write on some paper about what you think he could eat, and you can draw a picture, maybe talk about what would be your favorite food, what would you like to feed Zotz. It's just like when we're at my table and we get out the pink journal And it is your turn to tell me something, a connection that you make to the story. So, have you ever been hungry? Have you ever really wanted something to eat? You were so hungry and you just wanted your favorite sandwich, or you wanted your favorite yogurt, or your favorite fruit. That's all you wanted to eat. So you can write a sentence that says, I want to eat a banana. I want to eat a bowl of cereal. I want to eat spaghetti. Whatever you like and you want to eat, you can write that sentence and draw a picture. You can use this time to show your parent, your mom, dad, grandma, whoever is helping you out. Take this time and show them that you draw lines for your words so you know how many words you're going to have in your sentence. And you start with a capital letter, you use finger spaces, and you use your correct punctuation. A period, exclamation point, or a question mark. You can also go through the story and see if you can find any sight words in this story. I see a few. The, not, a. There's also words that repeat throughout the whole story. Finds, says, so you can take your letter tiles and build different words from our story and show your adult how we build sight words and how we change our words, and show them what we do when you are at my table. I have enjoyed being able to read to you guys, even though I don't get to see your face and get to hear your wonderful ideas and your questions and all the things that you come up with. I'm glad to be able to read with y'all. So hopefully we will get to do many, many more of these, and hopefully we're going to get to be back together soon. I love y'all very much, and I hope you have a super day.